Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'm so excited to be here with you all today. We have people joining us from all over the world, which is amazing. First thing first, let me introduce myself. I'm Monica from Tencent Cloud, and I will be your host today. Today's theme is Lighthouse ready for not only this OpenClaw, but also future OpenClaws. As many of you know, this product has changed several names, from Clawdbot to Modbot, and now it's known as OpenClaw. It's become incredibly popular lately. Honestly, it's exploding in the community right now. Today, we are going to deep dive into it. So what's the plan for today? We've got a package show for you. First, I'm going to bring on our product manager of Lighthouse. She'll do a live tutorial. No boring slides. We'll show you how easy it is to deploy OpenClaw on Lighthouse and how to get it working with Telegram and WhatsApp. It's going to be very hands-on. Next, we'll have an industry expert join us to share his thoughts on OpenClaws, breaking down what's happening in the market right now and where the future trends are heading. It's going to be a deep dive into what's next for the industry. If you have any question at all during the stream, just drop them in the comments. Our team will be replying to you in real time. And let's not forget the prizes. We'll be picking lucky winners from the chat to win Lighthouse vouchers worth anywhere from $10 to $100. The rule is simple. Just stay active, talk to us, and join the conversation. The more you engage, the higher your chances. We'll be picking our lucky winners right from the comments. Ready to start? Let's bring our Lighthouse product manager, Korea.
Hello, everybody. Hello, Monica. It's Korea
Hello.
here. I'm product manager at Lighthouse, probably responsible for international website.
Welcome, Korea. Well, for those who are new here, could you give us a quick introduction? What exactly is Lighthouse and who is it built for?
Yeah, sure. So Tencent Lighthouse is a lightweight cloud server designed for simple application scenarios. You don't need to understand all complicated cloud concepts. We provide very cost-effective plans and with pre-configured operating systems and dependencies. Developers can deploy popular open source applications in just one click. Basically, it's fast, simple, and beginner-friendly.
So the community is talking about OpenClaw nonstop. I heard that Lighthouse was one of the first to officially support OpenClaw. Is that true?
Yeah, that's true.
Wow, how did the team react so quickly to this trend?
We realized the OpenClaw deployment tutorial about around January 26th. And later, the same day, we launched the instance, which is one-click deployment. Recently, we have been updating almost one version per day. OpenClaw has gone pretty viral lately, which brought in a lot of users. And as a result, the ecosystem and the features are growing very fast. It's definitely something worth trying.
Oh, that's impressive. But for the developers watching, what exactly is your secret sauce? What are the top advantages of using Lighthouse?
Compared with building an old Make or rushing to buy a Make Minion, using Lighthouse is much more convenient and cost-effective, actually. You can get started in just a few minutes. It only costs a few dollars, and it actually supports 24 hours and 7 days running, which is perfect for AI agents and long-term running services like that. On top of that, Tencent Cloud Lighthouse already provides an OpenClaw one-click deployment template with OpenClaw and all required dependencies pre-installed. So just deploy and use it out of box.
Well, I'm a big believer in seeing is believing. Could you walk us through the deployment process? Is it really as easy as everyone says it is? Let's see it in action.
Yeah, of course. I will walk everyone through it step by step. And honestly, it's super simple, don't worry. Even if you don't understand code at all, I will get you through the whole process and make sure everyone can successfully start using our OpenClaw. Okay, let me introduce how to deploy OpenClaw in Tencent Lighthouse. Don't worry, it's really easy and fun. Of course, let's start with ON and Tencent Lighthouse. So just search Tencent Lighthouse in your Google search. Yes, this first one is the right one. And click Buy Now. From here, you can find some suitable configuration and you can say OpenClaw here. So it is really easy for you to choose, is that right? We just need to click this and choose your region. Let me show you Singapore now. And the start type is enough. For the bundle space, also 2 vCPUs and 2 gigs of RAM. Actually, it is cheapest one, and it can successfully use. But if you want to try more, I recommend 2 vCPUs and 4 gigs of RAM. But if you want to use like skills, do you know that there are many newer features? So I will explain later. But for this, I recommend at least 2 vCPUs, 8x of RAM. Let me show you with the cheapest now. And the instance name I choose, Korea's access is enough. And yes, or Clawdbot. OpenClaw. Yes. And Buy Now here. Okay, confirm payment. After successful paid, go to the console with the menu and found our instance. Press OpenClaw. Here is here. With the menu, I think maybe 10 seconds. Okay, all right. Wonderful. Click here and then this is your instance. You can see your instance ID and your instance name here. And then you can just deploy the OpenClaw just in our website. So here, look at the pre-installed application first. You can choose your module, channel, and the skills here. Here are some convenience tools. And also, if you use Gemini or ChatGPT, you can choose customer module. And now I will show you, I think, Kimi. And yes, this one. Actually, you can get your API key from here, like this. And I already have, so I just copy and paste here. Add, yes, just add it. But you can see that now it is not used, so we need to click Apply. Yes, success. And now we already have our module for the channel here. We have quick channel like Wacom, QQ, DingTalk, and Lark. But I already know that soon it will be available on WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and so on. And then skills configuration here. I will talk about this later. So we have module now. We just log in. So now, don't move anything and just say your code in my phone. Yes. Okay, all right, just log in. Okay, this is our OCA term, which is really useful. And then import OpenClaw board and wait. Please remember, press enter. This is starting it up like this. You can see here, OpenClaw. Yes, and then we should choose some answers. It is really easy, don't worry. The first one, understand the recipe. Oh yes. Just choose quick start. Configure handing. Okay, we can use exciting modules. The module we already have, so just skip. Also the models, so we choose all providers. Keep covering. Okay, channel. Let me show you WhatsApp first. WhatsApp, link WhatsApp now, yes. Waiting for, yeah, this is the QR code, so I need to scan this. So we can open our WhatsApp in your phone in the scan the QR code. Wait, we need to scan it. Here, yeah, that's right. Scan. And connect. Yeah, successful. It's still here. Okay, the next step is, this is my personal phone number. This means the WhatsApp's phone number. Yeah, this is my personal. And my number is okay. Configure skills now. We choose no. I will say it later. No. And already installed, so we need to restart. Let it run. Yes. Do you want to hatch your boat? We can choose do it later. Enable visual, we choose now, no. Yes, for this, we're already successful. Let me check. This is my account. This is my account. Yeah, hi bot. You're typing now. Hi bot. Yeah, it said, hey, I just come online. Yeah, successful. Let me ask a question here. Like, I want to make screenboard X with tomatoes. Could you please give me a recipe? I really want to say the answers here. Oh, 3x 2 medium tomatoes. Oh my god, it's so good. It's so detailed, I love it. Okay, so now this is the tutorial about how to deploy OpenClaw in Tencent Lighthouse, and this time show what's up. Do you understand completely? Don't worry, we will do it again. But this time I will be faster, and we will also try the new skill feature. Let's try again.